Hello guys, uh, myself Emil. Hope you are doing good. Finally, I got some time for recording the video. I'm not a professional, so pardon my small mistakes. I hope I'm out of my home for last 1 month or so. So I have some limited access to my charts and my equipments like monitors, PC, etc. So anyways, I can still help you, no problem, as I promised you. So I'm making this video for a very short time, but I don't know how much it will be helpful for you because it should not be very details for the trading. I want to train you because following someone's signal blindly is not a solution. Okay, you have to learn at least basic about the tradings. So I want to help you regarding this issue. So let's start. uh, I want to tell you something before I start, like always try to analyze yourself. Don't depend on someone. Always try to learn from someone, but don't follow them blindly. Always do your analysis yourself. That is very much helpful, and this is what everyone should do. Okay, don't depend on someone. Some people thought that trading is very easy, just follow the signal and put it on your exchange, and that's all. But it's not like that. You should know basic knowledge about trading, how it works. Trading is the most risky and most toughest thing in the world. Believe me, it's not easy. And always uh, do it at your own risk. I will not recommend you. If you don't have some money to lose, don't trade. Always do it at your own risk. Don't blame someone else. Eh, many people will uh, analyze their own things, but nobody can know that the price will go right now up or down. We can predict. We don't know where it will go exactly. And another thing, you always remember, don't try to trade to recover your losses because you will be always in pressure, and within a pressure brain you can do this. You will always lose your money, I think. Always try to do uh, get profit from your trade with cold brain, and don't get any pressure. You will lose your money. So that's it. And somebody think like fresher things like, if you buy the signal, you just put it on and it will go up straight after you buy the coin. It's not working like that. Market is not working like that. Market will do the opposite. Always think about this. Market will do what you think. It's not working like that. Okay, so let's start with the trading view. I think you should have you have the trading view, uh, everyone. So let's start with that. I will show you from the beginning. So this is the home page. After you log in, you will see this page. If you want to see the charts, you have to click on the chart here. This is the chart. If you want to see any chart, you have to click there. You can just type the pair name, like I'm showing you the BTC pair, BTC USDT pair, BTC USD. Sorry, it's BTC USD. So I'm showing the Bitfinex one. This is the Bitfinex chart. BTC USDT pair on USD pair on Bitfinex chart. You can see some menus here. Here is the option auto save. Whatever you do on your chart, like these things, it will save automatically on your chart. And you can change the theme like this. I changed the theme white to dark theme. It will be good for your eyes. You can see on the low light and it will not harm your eyes. And here is the drawing panel. If you off this one, this is gone, the chart is gone. Here you have to put it on again. You have to click here. There you go. Now you can see the chart. So here's the thing, you can for any coin you have to see, you have to click here and type the pair name like this or like that. It is, sorry, so there is many exchanges here. You can see anyone's, there is no issue. You can use anyone. So my favorite chart is BTC USD. I'm showing you how it works. Here is the time frame. You can choose which time frame you want to see the chart. Most people use 15-minute, 1 hour and 4 hour and daily chart. The most important chart is 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour and 1 week. Okay, so I use many of the chart in many browser like this. This is my trading panel, I mean trading chart. This is totally messy. It's totally messy. So you can see these things. This is support and resistance zones. I will show you later. This is the clean one. You can see this easily. So you can see that time frame here, as I said. And first thing first, you should know the candles thing. This is called candles. Everything, every door, I mean these things are candles. This blue candles is called bull candle, and this is bear candle, red one. So we are seeing these candles as a 1 hour chart. So every candle is 1 hour. Okay, if I change this to 15 minutes, you can see the same things, just zoom out. Okay, in drawing panel you can see many important things. Okay, you can find it by using this easily. I will just show you the important indicators and some important tools. Okay, so let's start with the drawing tool. This is the trend line tool. You can use it uh, for lining up the support and resistance zone. As you can see, I make some support and resistance zone. This is I identified some patterns here. Okay, there are a lot of patterns and support and resistance zones. You have to find out the support and resistance zones. This is how the market works, and this is how you have to trade every day. Try to every day uh, make some time to see how the market works. At least try 30 minutes or 1 hour daily in Tradingview. See the market, uh, how it's what do you say, how it's working, how the price up and down. You will get some ideas how the market works. Most of the people use 15-minute chart for short-term trade, and some people use 1 hour, some people use 4 hour. For swing trade, most people use 1 hour and 4 hour trade, and some people use daily chart for long term, like this. Okay, let's start with 15 minutes. Okay, so as I told you, the green one is bull candle and the red one is bear candle, and this is called wicks. This thin things is called wicks, and I will show you some basic indicator. Okay, so for indicator you have to click on this or this one. You can search any indicator from here, like RSI. This is RSI, short name RSI. I mostly use RSI and moving average. You can click on this moving average. I use two moving average. Okay, let's set this moving average. One is 20, and okay, let's change the color first. Yellow. Okay, now change another one. Let's maybe 200, and a red color. Okay, so sometimes uh, these things working like support and resistance. As you can see, this thing, this is MA 200. This is working as a resistance in this area. See how it pressure on this line, it can pass through. So after breakout, this line, see the pump pressure, and it's finally breakout and go up and up. You see this red line, and after this break this resistance, I mean support, see this fall, and here it's working as a resistance zone here, here. Okay, for breaking a resistance, you have the candle or the price should have good pressure. See this pressure line, it breaks the resistance thing. So these things are supporting indicators. Okay, we have to find the price indicator, I mean price support and resistance. I will show you. I'm showing you how you can find the support and resistance. This is the most important thing for trading. Okay, and it's very easy. Okay, let's delete this. So here we can see the price is going like this, like a stairs, right? So it's making the price here a resistance zone. The price can't uh, break through this line, right? So it's making the price a resistance zone. It can break this area, and I will show you the uh, let's say the pattern, how the market works with patterns. Like this is called a rising wedge, okay, or rising channel. So it's a bearish pattern when it's break the support zone. This is the support area. This is the support line. As you can see, the price is bouncing from this area, right? So see this thing, when it break the line, it's trying to go up, but this line MA20 didn't go through this line, right? So it came down again. Also, this was a bearish pattern. This is a bearish pattern. When the price goes like this, when it break the line, the under the support line, it will go bearish, okay, for some time at least, short pattern. I'm showing you something on my another chart. I have lot of charts, so this is the chart, one of my chart. See this, see this line. This is a good support and resistance area. See, the price is not uh, go through this line. It's go down, and it if it if it need to go through this line, it might need a very good price buy pressure for breaking a resistance zone. So it break the line and see the run up. It's big. The support and resistance zone work like this. So see this line. This is a good support and resistance zone. Its resistance like here, and here, and I think it will get some resistance in here also. There are many resistance and support zone here. There is the final one at 4100. Sorry, it's 41,426. Uh, this chart is very much messy, but I want to try to see things from here. What we have found. How do you make the support? Okay, let's change the chart. You can understand here. This is a horizontal resistance area. You can see this. See the price can go through up, can't, and here also can't. And this is can because good pressure, big pressure, and it was like a fake out. This is called a fake out thing. Like it break through the resistance zone, but it came back again. This is called a fake out. This thing, and this is also, see this area perfectly. It was gaining resistance here. It's trying, and finally it break up with a good pressure, and it is again going down. It's not like that support and resistance zone will work every time. Okay, it will not work every time. If it worked, then everybody would be rich, right? I will i will try to show you some uh, support and resistance zone. Okay, let's see a big view, like 4 hour. Okay, currently Bitcoin is making a triangle, and a big move is coming. So this is the support and resistance area, and it's making a pattern. This is called a triangle pattern. Triangle pattern is a bearish pattern, but also bullish pattern. If we break one of this line, this pink line, if it go break this line, this resistance line, it will be bullish, and if it break this resistance, I mean support line, it will be very much bearish, and the target should be work like this. Like if it break through like this, let me show you. If it break like this from here, the bearish target should be 24,000, 25,000 perfectly, and the bullish, sorry, and the bullish target would be like this, almost 50k. Okay, the main thing is the support and resistance thing, right? You have to find the support and resistance zone. See, I found a good support and resistance area, horizontal. I'm taking a horizontal line. See, this is a good support and resistance area, and this is a 4 hour support and resistance area. This is 4 hour. 4 hour means very much big, strong support and resistance zone. Okay, the long term, you find the time frame, the support and resistance, or the key pattern, or whatever you say, is very strong. 4 hours is a very strong support and resistance zone. See, every candle is 4 hour here, so it's trying 3 times tries here to break the resistance zone, but it can't. Another thing is, then see, it's tried one, but break under the, this candle finish under this resistance zone, right? It's tried, but it closed under this resistance line, but again it's tried, and finally it breaks. Okay, and close upside the resistance zone, so it's a bullish sign. So, and the next candle, you see, this is a confirmation that it closed upper side on the resistance zone, and it start bouncing. It break the resistance and start bouncing from here. So see again here, This is good resistance, I mean support. It's working like a support now. It's a drop, big fall here, and stop here, and again bounce from here, again drop, again bounce from here. Okay, so this is the way you can find the support and resistance. For a small support and resistance, you can use 1 hour chart. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart, and more for more small, you can use 15-minute chart, but not less than that. 15-minute is a good time frame to see the details, very much details view. I'm seeing another support and resistance area. I'm showing you. See this. See, this is a clear support area, and I'll show you another resistance area. See, see here is a resistance area. So this is a, it's making another triangle here. Okay, it is a bullish pattern, this triangle. If we break this line, we will be very bullish. The price will go very bullish, I think. And the target would be like this. Target would be 40k almost. Okay, but yes, of course there is also some resistance. They have to break it also. Here is the biggest resistance, as you can see. This is the biggest resistance zone. You have to break through this for the 40k, and if we break this line, that will be massive. It will go 50k, as I showed you already. The target is 50k if we break this line. Okay. I hope you understand the support and resistance thing, how you can make it. Just take some line from here and mark it on your chart, and it will save automatically on your chart. But remember uh, which coin and which exchange you are doing in this, then you can find it easily again. Now I want to show you some patterns on picture, like this is the pattern, how the pattern works, and which is bullish patterns and which is bearish patterns. I want to show you, but don't think, remember one thing, pattern is a speculation thing of always, and only trade after the breakout. Okay, pattern only trade for after breakout, not before. Okay, see, like this is called a double bottom pattern, and this double bottom pattern is working like uh, it's, you can also call it a W pattern. I call it a W pattern. Double bottom means, see, this is one bottom and two bottom, so double bottom or W pattern. This is very much common and very much powerful pattern. I always use this pattern, and I very much like this pattern. So in this case, this is the support, sorry, this is the resistance zone, and this is a support zone. If the W pattern break this neckline, this is called neckline. If you break this neckline, you can start your trading here. Okay, this is the resistance zone, and this is the breakout time or neckline, you can say. Only start trade if it break this pattern from here. You can buy from here, and don't worry if it can confirm the support area. And remember one thing, I forget to tell you, every support area can act as a resistance area, and every resistance area can act as a support area, always. For pattern trading, you have to always confirm when it break out. After breakout, you can trade it. Okay, so it can might get back again and retest the support area and start its journey to upside. And this is called a bull flag. Bull flag, how it works: bull flag is a bullish pattern. This is also a bullish pattern, a double bottom or W pattern. This is a bullish pattern, and bull flag is also a bullish pattern. This is a flag like this. This is the flag stand, and this is the flag. So this is also a bull flag pattern. You can take this, start trading from here, the neckline, and start buy from here or here. If it come back again, you can start from here and make a stop loss in this area. So you can make your trade from here up to this target, and you know the bull flag target would be the flag size, same as this one. The target is this area, this stick, and start from here to same size as this stick. Okay, so it makes the bull flag again the fulfill target, and this is made another bull pennant. Bull pennant run like this, sideways, and see this bull flag. This is go down from here. You can call this is you can also call is a falling wedge. Okay, to make a bull flag, uh, it will the price will go from here to downside, and in bull pennant it will go sideways, but always it will make always higher low from the price. Okay, like this. So this is also a bullish pattern. It go upside, and this is making a ascending wedge. This is called ascending wedge. This wedge is working like bigger to small to upside. Okay, this is a ascending wedge, and it is a bearish pattern. So it breaks the neckline and go down, and it's making another descending wedge. This is ascending wedge, and this is descending wedge. Okay, and descending wedge is goes down this way like stairs. When it breaks the neckline, this is a bullish pattern, so it go bullish, and it makes another triple top pattern, or you can say M pattern. I say it's a M pattern, and this is a bearish pattern opposite the W pattern. Okay, M pattern is a bearish sign, and this is very common and powerful. After breakout, you can trade from here, you can short from here. Sometime it will go upside to confirm the resistance zone, so you can start short from here. This neckline break, and it will go down. It will make it's after going down, it's making a bear flag. The bear flag, how it goes, it will work the opposite the bull flag. Bull flag go up and slowly it will go down again, and the bear flag come down and go up, start up like a rising wedge. It's called a rising wedge, and it's a bearish pattern, bear flag. When it break the neckline, you can start a short from here, and the target will be this flag, like this. Okay, they're same size. You can, but don't think it will fulfill always. Okay, the flag, this pattern is also for the short time. It can go to your target, or sometime it don't go to the exact target. The market works like that. After the bear flag pattern, it makes another bear pennant opposite the bull pennant. And you know the how the bull pennant works, like sideways it will go, making a sideways price pattern. When it breaks, it's a bearish pattern. When it breaks, it will go down. You can start short from here. And this is another most important pattern. This is called invert head and shoulder pattern. So this is called head. I'm sorry. This is called head, and this is two shoulder. This is a very much bullish pattern. You can trade only when the neckline is break. It will go the pattern. The target will be size of this area, like this area. After breaking this neckline, you can trade. You can start a long position from here. After this, it makes a invert cup and handle pattern. This is a very much bearish pattern, and this is not common. This is very rare pattern. But yes, if you can see in this market, in any market, this is very much bearish, and this is very much powerful pattern. After breaking this neckline, you can short from here. The target is middle of this range. After breaking this line, it's making a expanding wedge, which is very much common and powerful pattern. The expanding wedge will go the downside like a stairs, and if it breaks the resistance zone, it's very much powerful and it will go straight up. After this, we can see it's making a cup and handle pattern, but this is not inverse. This is a real cup and handle pattern. This is very much bullish pattern. This is a cup and this is a handle. If it breaks the neckline, the target would be so much upside. If it works like the chart, you can start a long position from here or here after confirmation, and it will be a good position for long. So we can see another pattern. This is called head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is very much bearish and very much common pattern. We can see available in market. So this is the head, this is a shoulder, and this is another shoulder. So if the pattern break the support area, I mean, yes, support area, it will be go bearish, and the target would be the middle of this thing, middle of the head, like here to here. That would be the target. So here is the pattern things finish. This is a big thing. uh, this is not possible to learn you in one video everything. This is not possible. uh, you have to practice every day, at least every day 30 minutes or 1 hour. You have to make some time to see the your trading view chart and find out the patterns and support and resistance. This is the main things. I saw many videos, many tutorials, many things, and practice day after day, and made it happen. Now I can see my support and resistance zone. So I try to make you understand what is support resistance patterns, the candle thing, and how can you trade, how can you start trade. For more details, if you want to learn more details, you can contact me or can join my VIP account. Can teach you more details. This is the basic. um, you have to practice more and more. That's all. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a very long video, but I'm sorry for that. And let me know what you think. Thank you so much.